Hello. Hello. Today, I got a market recap because I didn't take any trades. Now, I did learn, I feel like I did notice some things, but where did my drawings go? Anyways, what I was trying to say is that, so I didn't take any trades today because there was news at 8 a.m. Oh, I should probably show that. But there was news at 8 a.m., so I was looking to trade maybe before 7 if I was to find something, but didn't find anything before 7. There's a rabbit running right past. But anyways, yeah, didn't really see anything. So starting with Euro USD, 4 hour was bearish at the moment, closing below this low. But something I'm realizing, well, I'll just get into it later. So 4 hour was bearish, looking for highs to get taken. However, at market open, we actually do come out, get really close to the highs, and then start moving to the downside. Now, I don't think there was an SMT here, because on neither of the pairs did we actually come out. On DXY, we didn't come into the London low, and then in GBP/USD, we did not come into the London. Oh, actually, no, we did. We did take out the London low, but I was ideally looking for the London high to get taken. So we didn't this is like none of the pairs took out like the target to go bearish. So that gave me some idea that maybe we should be going freaking we should be bullish now, because we took out the high on the we took out the low on the we took out the London low on Euro USD, took out the high on DXY, took out the low as well on the GBP USD. Now, looking like on a farther kind of scale, I don't know if I'm right or if I'm wrong here, but on the DXY, we pushed all the way into this fair value gap. On the Euro USD, we did not push all the way into the fair value gap. Now, what this told me was that Euro USD is the lagging pair, right? Because Euro USD had more buying power, or it was manipulated to not push us further, so it had more reason to go up, while DXY had more power to go up. So it would be not the ideal trade to take on the DXY, and it would be ideal to take it on Euro USD. GBP USD, I don't know, we didn't really have any clear fair value gap, but we did push lower, I would say, than freaking Euro USD. So Euro USD was showing more reason to go higher. So with that in mind, the ideal trade to be taken would have been with this break of structure to the upside, confirming to the upside, because DXY also confirmed to the downside, while GBP USD also confirmed to the upside. So everything would have been in line for us to go long on Euro USD. Euro USD, I probably would have been the best pair to trade because it had the most power. Now, if you see GBP USD, it moved really slowly. DXY, it moved pretty decently, but compared to Euro USD and GBP USD, I'd rather take Euro USD because it has more power, I guess, to the upside. So boom, if I enter off of a break of structure to the upside, enter long, and then boom, that would have been a nice trade to take. But one reason was because this was right at 7, so I ideally didn't want to trade right before news. And what's crazy is that the news was in line with the bias of the SMT or whatever. We pushed higher, but the news could have been bearish and stuff like that, but it's the matrix, bro. But yeah, that's kind of what I saw on GBP USD and Euro USD. Now GBP JPY was bearish as well. We were getting close to London high, but we never ended up taking it, so took out the target. Wasn't really trying to get anything. But yeah, I feel like this is kind of what I should be looking for. Now the thing I want to make sure though is in every video I watch on SMT, 3 or 4, it all says that SMT is used for a confirmation of a pre-existing bias. It should not be used to generate a bias. So if my pre-existing bias was bearish, looking for the London lows to get taken, then I should have theoretically I shouldn't be taking this, because it's kind of a opposite. And usually when we're bearish on the 4 hour, we usually continue on lower. The moves to the upside are just small retracements, so I don't really like trading against the bias. This could have been a lucky thing, but I feel like this played out perfectly with the SMT, if you will, if I'm being correct or anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. No trades today. Probably won't trade tomorrow, because there's a small window to trade tomorrow. Bro, today was first day at university, bro. Oh my god, bro. That's gonna be the title of this, bro. Oh my god, I cannot do uni, bro. I had one class today, I wanted to kill myself, bro. Holy shit. But anyways, I'll see you tomorrow if I'm still alive. But yeah, goodbye.